guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I'm going to call this lockdown with Laura. Okay, so we're going to call this lockdown with Laura, right? Today I am going to make something different. I already have my chicken seasoned. I'm going to be making stew chicken. And I am going to be making, everybody makes cassava dumpling, right? So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to make yams and sweet potato dumpling. I have my chicken seasoned already. This is going to be stewing. And well, we're going to get crack-a-lacking with this. Alright. So guys, we're kneading this now with regular water. I just want to incorporate all the stuff with the flour, mix it in good. Today I'm going to try Anisa's way of stewing chicken. Remember in the last video Anisa said don't turn the chicken, right? So I'm going to try that. Anisa starts with the tip. Somebody else messaged me and said they tried it too and it came out really well. So I have my sugar in here and that is going to melt.
No oil?
No, I don't stew with oil. This is my flavor here. See that? I think this is where Anita said don't turn it, right? So we just go into cover it. Now all you're trying this for the first time, okay? I'm trying Anita's way. Because usually I just turn my chicken. Of water up, that's for the dumpling, and we're gonna make our first turn. pretty I love in this color. So the water drying down, so I will leave the cover off. And then when it dries down completely, well, I will add the water. Add ketchup to my stew. This is the stew chicken. It's really, really good. It's gorgeous. It looks very, very nice. And this is the dumpling.
Stew chicken again, best. Uncle Harry would kill coming to get a competition.
Mash your breaks anyway. That could be the day you eat this, eh?
Number dumpling.
How is it?
I want it. Tastes good though. Texture dumpling. Fun try. Yam and sweet potato blend inside it.
Alright guys, so it's my turn to eat, and if it is you all don't know by now, I am just reminding you, one thing I cannot eat without is pepper sauce. So here goes. This pepper sauce real best. It tastes just like mommy when I bought this in the green market in Santa Cruz. So I'm gonna try my sweet potato and yam dumpling. Let's see. It's nice. I'm not really a dumpling fan, but it tastes really good. And it was the color too. And real pretty. I'm impressed. I did good. And I'm washing this down with some Mobi mixed with pristine water. So guys, I don't know if you all would like to try this dumpling. It is worth a try. If you do, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Let me know. I'm excited to see the outcome. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I am trying my very best to put videos out every other day, and so far I've been very consistent. Thank you all so much for all your love and support. I know we are home, we are on lockdown. I call in this series Lockdown with Laura. Stay safe, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!